One of the reasons we bought Billy was because he had a really good electrical system already. Turns out we weren't so lucky because so many things needed to be replaced. Including this inverter. So the batteries are now fixed down. I've put buttons around 4 sides and I've put this strap across the top so it shouldn't, front and back, they won't move anywhere, or not significantly. It took around a day to actually get the electrics installed, but I couldn't work out why the solar wouldn't work. So what I realised that I should have done, that I need to do to make all this work as it should, or one of the reasons it's not working as it should, is I haven't actually grounded these negative leads. So the whole solar system at the moment is completely not grounded. So I'm going to ground this. I'm going to drill a hole here. I'm going to put a riv nut in it. I'm going to clean up the hole so I've got a good connection to the ground, to the body of the vehicle. I'm going to put in a stud. This is an M10 stud. Actually, you'd normally use it in building, but I'm going to cut this off so that it protrudes through, doesn't touch the wood, and then I'm going to use this to attach literally to ground from here to a short lead to here. So then the whole system's ground. Every connection on the original install was actually faulty or just came apart. I realised I didn't have anything to crimp the wires with, so I had to improvise. One job done. And still it wasn't working properly. I found that I would get solar charge sometimes in the morning, but then it would just stop. I couldn't work out why until I realised that my solar panels could output up to 25 volts each, and they were wired in series, which would mean that I'd get up to 50 volts, and my charger could only take up to 25 volts. So here I am one evening just changing the wiring from series to parallel, and I thought this would work. Well, it should be done. Now I just need to test it. Seemingly, like everything with Billy, it's not straightforward, and that didn't work. What I realised is that actually it was this connection on the 2 solar cables that was causing the issue, which meant I had to run brand new cables from the roof all the way down through and into this box. So what should happen is I'm going to turn this on, and after a few seconds, maybe 30 seconds, the solar should then start charging the battery. Goes to on, and we're waiting for that one. It's a bit like the X Factor, isn't it?
Still nothing's happening.
Yay, baby!
So what does the red mean?
It means it's charging!
Woo! we can get the bed in.
And that's all you're concerned about, isn't it?
Yes.
We thought we'd finally got it, but on our first trip away with this dodgy original fuse box that nearly melted one morning, it kind of almost spoiled our trip away. So if you want to see what happened, then please remember to subscribe, hit the like button and leave us a comment. We'll see you in the next one.